All right? Are you ready to wow your guests with something that's not just delicious, but also screams July 4th in the best way possible? Today, I'm putting together a vertical charcuterie board that's tall, festive, and honestly, kind of fabulous. This thing isn't just a snack, it's a centerpiece, a total showstopper, perfect for parties, cookouts, or even a laid-back backyard hangout with the family. So grab your star-shaped bowls and your favorite red, white, and blue snacks. Let's jump in. Before we even get started, I want to say, don't worry about making this perfect. This board is more about having fun and adding a pop of color to your table than achieving food symmetry. Trust me. Once you build one, you'll start making them for every holiday. First up, grab a two-tiered metal stand. That's how we get that impressive vertical look. And bonus, it saves space on the table for more food. Yes, please. I'm also using 3 star-shaped dipping bowls in red, white, and blue to really drive the theme home. And then I've got a few fun extras. Some 4th of July cocktail picks and festive ribbons. I know it might sound a little extra, but trust me, those tiny details make the whole thing pop. Pro tip, I like to clean everything, especially that metal stand, before I start assembling. A quick wipe with a damp towel makes sure there's no dust or smudges. You want it to sparkle under those party lights. Let's start by filling those bowls. Each one gets its own color theme. The red bowl, that's for strawberries and red grapes. Super easy and always a hit. The white bowl gets yogurt-covered raisins, cauliflower florets, or cashews. A little healthy, a little crunchy. The blue bowl, that's where the blueberries and black seedless grapes go. The colors are perfect, and they're so easy to snack on. These little bites are perfect for grabbing, and they keep our board looking on theme without using anything artificial. And hey, if you want to get creative, go for it. Dried cranberries, white chocolate chips, or blue corn chips could totally work too. Wait, pause here for a second. What would you put in your red, white, and blue bowls? I know some of you are going to come up with combos I haven't even thought of. So seriously, drop your wildest or tastiest ideas in the comments. Would you do blue M&Ms, mini powdered donuts, red licorice? I'm taking notes over here. Now comes the fun part, assembling. I start by placing the bowls on the top and bottom tiers of the stand, mixing up the colors so it looks balanced. Red on top, maybe white and blue below. Whatever feels right to you. Then I bring in the stars of the board, slices of salami, Toscano, and uncured soppressata. I like to fan them out a little. It looks fancy but takes no time. Then I tuck in wedges of creamy brie and some other cheeses, because let's be honest, no one ever says too much cheese. Next, I add the medium-sized stuff. Break a white chocolate bar into nice chunky pieces. Lay in some star cracker bread, because we're still feeling patriotic. And yeah, a few cauliflower pieces if you want to feel like you're making a good life choice. Finally, I use pistachios and cashews to fill in any gaps. Think of them like edible confetti. They add texture and make everything feel complete. Take your time here. Step back now and then to see where you need to balance colors or fill in empty spaces. It's like decorating a mini snack sculpture. Now, to top it all off, I take my 4th of July cocktail picks and pop them into some of the cheeses or strawberries. Then I wrap the stand with ribbon bows to dress it up. And yes, I absolutely add a few mini American flags because it's the 4th of July. It would be weird not to. If you're expecting a crowd, you can even label the different tiers, or just hover nearby like the proud architect of the snack tower you are. Here's a fun question for you. Do you decorate your food for the holidays? I mean, full on bows, glitter, flags, the works. Or do you like to keep it more low-key and rustic? I'd love to know what your holiday style is. Comment below and let's see how many sparkle lovers we have versus the keep it simple crowd. One last detail I love, adding a few sparkler-looking decorations or curly ribbon to the top tier. It gives the whole thing some movement and makes it feel even more festive. And just like that, we're done. You've got a vertical charcuterie board that looks amazing, tastes great, and totally earns its place in the center of your party table. Your guests are going to love grazing from this patriotic tower of snacks. And if someone asks where you bought it, you get to say, "Oh, this I made it myself." Pair it with a sparkling drink like a berry spritzer or even a mocktail with a red, white, and blue straw. Don't be surprised if this board becomes the most photographed thing at your party. People love a good grazing board. If this gave you some inspiration, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy and fun holiday ideas. I've got cookie boards, snack trays, and all kinds of festive ideas coming your way. Let me know in the comments, what would you add to your red, white, and blue board? Maybe something spicy, something sweet, something totally unexpected. I want to hear it. Happy 4th of July and happy snacking.